Some big news coming in on the vaccine front. Pfizer has now decided to withdraw its application for emergency use authorization for its COVID-19 vaccine in India. Pfizer will engage with the authority, resubmit its approval request with additional information as it becomes available in the near future. Milind Sharma joining us for more details on that. Milind, Pfizer now deciding to withdraw its application for emergency use authorization for its COVID-19 vaccine. What's the reason for withdrawal, as it now plans to resubmit its approval request with additional information?
Well, based on the statement that has been issued by Pfizer, they have said that at this point of time, they would not be looking at the application for the emergency use authorization. Remember, it's surprising because Pfizer was the first company to have applied for an emergency use authorization for a COVID-19 vaccine in India, even before our homegrown Covaxin and Covishield made by Serum Institute had applied for an EUA from the drug regulators. But today, in an official statement, they have said that now they are withdrawing it because the DCGI has been asking for more data, and at this point they have not been able to submit more data for reasons best known to Pfizer. But in their statement, clearly they have said that based on their understanding, they will continue to engage with the Indian authorities, and they may even resubmit its approval request with additional information that is being sought by the drug regulators. But clearly sources have told us, Nabila, that Pfizer at this point of time is not willing to do the bridging studies that are required for clinical trials for vaccines in India, and they just want to do a commercial agreement with the government, which at this point of time the government is not willing to do, because we already have vaccines like Covaxin as well as Covishield. We are also doing trials for Sputnik V with Dr. Reddy's, and these vaccines are more suitable to Indian environments, which is why the deal with Pfizer hasn't yet worked out.
Sure. Thank you very much, Milind, for joining us with those details. Pfizer